In this video, I will discuss definition of research, motivation for research and characteristics of research or research characteristics. This is the main content of this video. Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Soumya. In this video, I will be discussing the topic research aptitude from the general paper KSET. Now, first we will begin with the definition of research. Research is a scientific and systematic search for information or knowledge on a specific topic. And listen here, see, I don't make a big video and give more definitions or something like that. I will just keep it simple and updated and important points what are the points which are needed for the examination. Quickly we'll learn, quickly understand the subject, we will prepare. Okay, so that much only I will just give the important information only, so I don't just waste the time here. See here, simple definition here which I have wrote. You can have a look here. Scientific and systematic search for information and knowledge on a specific topic, that is called research. Okay, research is a scientific and systematic search for what? For gaining an information, for gaining a knowledge on a specific topic. We are not doing research randomly. We are going to pick a specific topic and then we are going to do a research. Okay, and research is an art of scholarly, scientific and systematic investigation of acquiring a new knowledge. So before doing any research, we may have some information on that, and what we will do, we are going to analyze those information. Okay, and then later we are going to find the new concepts, new ways of doing the things. So and we are ruling out the unimportant one, like that going to do the research. And research is a systematic method of identifying problems and then proposing hypotheses and collecting and organizing and evaluating data. And then later what we will do, and then we will analyze and interpreting the data, like results, and reaching a conclusion by creating solution or generalization. This is the way of doing the research. And now the question is, why we have to do the research? What is the motivation for research? See here, research gives a desire to solve an unsolved problem as a challenge. Okay, that is one motivation. Another motivation is desire to experience intellectual joy in doing a creative work. That is the another motivation. And it gives a desire to gain a new knowledge, and it will help to gain a respect, and also it will give or it will help you to get a degree along with its benefits. And also we can say that it's our duty, and it will gives a desire to contribute or provide service to our society. So this is a sum of the motivation for research. Okay, now coming to the research characteristics. So what are these characteristics of the research? The first one is as I said before, it is scientific. Okay, so you can't do simply like the way you want, or you having some very less information, not like that. It should be scientific. And second one systematic, third one objectivity, fourth one reliability, fifth one validity, sixth one creditability, seventh one generalization, eighth one controlled factors, ninth one cyclical, and 10th one logical. So these are the 10 characteristics that I am going to explain. Here is the first one is scientific, right? So I have given some hint on scientific. We should have to do in a scientific manner. The second one is systematic, as in the name indicates, systematic, and means it should be well planned with definite procedures and should be conducted in a stepwise manner. Okay, that is actually means the systematic. The next one is objectivity. What is this objectivity? If we have to know the meaning of objectivity, first we should know the meaning of subjectivity also, so that will help you to understand the meaning of objectivity very easily. See, there are two words, that is objectivity and subjectivity. The first one, objectivity, means making an unbiased, balanced observation based on facts which can be verified. Okay, objective means it is unbiased and it is balanced observation, and it is purely based on facts, and those facts can be verified. Okay, that is called objectivity. Coming to the subjectivity, subjectivity means making an assumption, it's just an assumption. Okay, so, or you can say making an interpretations based on personal opinions without any variable facts. Here personal opinions, they doesn't have, it's just an opinions. Okay, so those kind of opinions we can't here, we can't verify those facts, right? So that is the meaning of subjectivity. Research should be carried out without bias or without any influence of personal opinions or behavior of the researcher. Research shouldn't be subjective. Okay, that is actually the meaning of objectivity. The next one, reliability. What is reliability? Here, research should produce consistent results or show consistency. Okay, that is reliability. If research is carried out on similar populations with similar methods repeatedly on each time and same results are produced, then research is reliable. Okay, that is actually called as reliable here. That is the meaning of reliability. And the next one, validity. Here the validity refers to accuracy of information or source of information or methods. Okay, that gives the valid to the research. That is actually called as validity. Next one, credibility. If best sources and best methods are employed to conduct research, then that research has credibility. That means that you have to choose the best sources and best scientific methods to conduct the research on a specific topic, then only we can say that research has credibility. The next one, generalization. What is the meaning of generalization? Generalization means if research studies are and their results of a sample population can be applied to the whole population, it is called as generalization. Means if we know the normal meaning of the word general. General means it should be applicable to the whole population. Okay, if research studies and their results of a sample population can be applied to the whole population, then it is called as generalization. See, if you are doing a research on a particular population, from that population you are going to get a sample. So you are going to do the research on that sample and you are going to get the result from that. If that result is applicable to the whole population from where you get the sample, then we can say that research is has a generalization. That is actually called as generalization. Okay, the next one, controlled factors. What is the meaning of controlled factor? Now we will learn the control factors. Research in natural science usually employs the control factors to compare them to other variables. So we should have a control factor because we should have to compare with the other variables. Okay, that's why you should have the control factors that will help to compare with the other variables. Like if we are doing any kind of experiments, first we will do the control factors testing, and then we will do with the other conditions by applying more temperature, more moist, okay, like that, heavily raining or disturbed area, something. So we should have to find out from that. So we are going to compare with that with the control factor. Okay, like that. So that is about the control factor. The next one, cyclical. Research starts with a problem and ends with a problem. That is actually cyclical. See, some of the research they doesn't give the solution. Okay, it is going to start with some kind of problem, and that is going to end with some kind of problem. Those kinds of research is also present. And the next one, the last one, logical. Research should be based on logic and reasoning. Research is conducted to develop and evaluate new concepts or theories, and research should add new information to existing theories. Okay, that is about the logical. I'm hoping these characteristics of which have made the list of characteristics of research is helpful for you all. So if you learn something new from this video, please do share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.